Welcome friends to my channel. Today I am going to create a reel using Canva. As you know, Canva is a best tool for those who don't have expertise in graphic designing. Canva provides you pre-made templates to edit any post for any social media platform, or you can edit reels as well. And now I am going to show you how do I edit a reel using Canva and its graphics. In the whole video you can see I am using graphics, the icons and the text and all the color elements to create a reel of approx 5 to 7 seconds. If you have any query related to Canva or my tutorial video, you can just comment on my video. I can give you the answer immediately. And other than that, as you know, this is the beginning phase of my channel, so I request you to support this, and you can get more videos of Canva on my channel related to its tutorials, how you can create posts and other designs. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. I would request you to do that. And if there are any suggestion you want to give to me, so just comment down below. I would improve that thing as well.